Hello, my friends. Gretchen here. Yeah, I'm not looking too happy because I finally did it. I tried to do one more update to update the software on my MacBook Pro. And well, I don't know if I did it, but it crashed. I mean, it's gone. The only thing, I had to go through every possible scenario online, looked it up, researched it, tried several different things. The only thing I could do was reinstall its original operating system, OX Lion. That doesn't even come up in Apple's searches for it can't even. And so then I thought, well, if I do that, maybe I can go back and get the open core that I was using or something similar. No, because it only works if you've already updated it to, I guess, Catalina, that's when I bought it used. Someone had updated to Catalina at the time. And I can't get it that far again. So, and I tried everything. It won't even open everything on Safari. It connected to the internet, but it can't seem to directly connect to websites. Even Apple, I downloaded Chrome thinking that maybe that would help. That got me to websites, but then they would open up like they're from 2012. So this computer is from 2012. So it would open up and it'd all be in that weird list with things you didn't understand unless you're a computer tech. Oh. And then I finally tried to go and download, I thought, well, I'll try the Linux, which is what some other people are putting on the old Macs. Well, I was able to download the software, but then I didn't have a file system. It couldn't find the file system to open. So that tells me that even the hard drive, it can't read anything. Everything's probably too modern for my computer's system to understand, so it's getting stuck. So I'm stuck. I've been fighting with it for 2 days. Like literally carving out the other things I should be doing. Getting ready for my trip, I worked for 2 days. I mean, I did my other basic stuff, right? Self-care in the house and all that, but I've been so hyper-focused on trying to fix that because I don't have the money to have someone fix it. And by the time they did that, I might as well buy another device. So now I'm looking into what I can afford to get. I'm going to try to get, what I'm looking at is a refurbished iPad. I'm still researching to see if that's the best idea. I've narrowed it down to the one that's supposedly the best, but I'm going out of town. And I even was almost ready to order the one I was going to pick out, but it wouldn't get here till after I've left. And I don't want a package like that coming to my house with nobody here to pick it up. And I don't want to burden anybody with that. I can wait. If I can't use it till I get back, I might as well order it later and get it when I get back. Makes sense. Anyway, so I wanted to jump on here and tell you that I am now going to be doing my videos from here because that's what's happened. So I'm going to try to break all my videos down into smaller parts because iMovie on the phone doesn't do too well with large files. I have to keep them, I don't know. I'm going to try. If you see this video, it means I was able to figure out how to get them all up on YouTube from my phone for now till I get caught up and get a new device that will do a better job. So they're not going to be as nice as my other ones. I mean, I'm not the best YouTuber, but I was doing better than this phone's going to do. So the next few videos you see coming out is me just catching up with what's already in my phone, in my, camera. And then I'll go from there. Trying to be frugal and trying not to buy things brand new, which I still am not, is difficult. You'll see in the next video where I'm starting the videos from my phone, that I'm working on a shelf, and the images, the videos I can already see is not going to be the graphics are not as good. It's my iPhone 15, so it's pretty good, but not that good. So bear with me, trying to hang in there. I don't know, it's like there's a part of me, it's like maybe I should just forget YouTube, because I have a little Chromebook to do everything else, but photo and video editing takes a fancy a device, and I don't have fancy device kind of money, so I'll have to see what I can get away with affording.